In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a blog on Squarespace in just about 5 minutes. Squarespace is a fantastic platform that lets you create stunning websites without needing to know a single line of code. Whether you're looking to share your ideas, start a business, or run a personal blog, Squarespace offers a comprehensive toolkit for your digital presence. Today, we're focusing on adding a blog to your Squarespace site, a great way to connect with your audience, share updates, and improve your SEO ranking. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way to the Squarespace website. It's the starting gate to bringing your blog to life. Once you're there, look for the login button to proceed. This is your gateway to entering the backstage of your site where all the magic happens. Now, for the sake of ease, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google for a faster login experience. It's a quick shortcut that lets you bypass remembering another password. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Go ahead and select the account you want to use. Ideally, it's the one you already associate with your professional work or the site you're building. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to your Squarespace dashboard. The dashboard is like the command center of your website. Here you can access all the nitty-gritty details and tools to customize your site to your heart's content. If you need direct access, there's often a direct link to your website's dashboard in your account page. After you've found yourself in the dashboard, head over to the Pages section. This is where you'll see the skeleton of your website laid out. The Pages section is where each component of your site lives. Think of it as the table of contents of your website. Within the Pages section, keep an eye out for a plus icon. This little sign is your gateway to adding new content to your site. By clicking it, you're one step closer to launching your blog. It's as exciting as adding a new chapter to your website story. Now here comes the crucial part, selecting blog from the menu. This action is essentially the groundbreaking ceremony of your blog's digital space. This option will set up a pre-templated blog page tailored to showcase blog posts in an engaging manner. After you've initiated your new blog page, it's time to click on the blog page to start editing. This is where you make your blog truly yours. Customize it, pour your personality into it, and prep it to wow your first-time readers and loyal followers alike. Remember, the blog page is just the beginning. It's like the cover of a book. What truly matters is the content you fill it with, your stories, insights, and photos. So after following these steps to set up your blog, the next phase is to start crafting compelling blog posts that resonate with your audience. And there you have it. In under 5 minutes, you've laid the groundwork for your blog on Squarespace. It's a straightforward process, but one that opens up a world of opportunities to engage with your site's visitors. So go ahead, start blogging, and watch as your digital presence grows with each post you publish. Happy blogging,